Look what I just got. This just came in the mail. Ember Labs Wave 2. What's that? Well, let's find out. Let's go ahead and open the seal on the box here. And open up the top. And here we go. Kind of looks like a watch, right? Similar to my Apple Watch. Got a metal band here. It's got a metal band here. But it's not a watch. Let's take a look at what it is. First, inside, we've got this device that looks like a watch, but it's not a watch. And it's got this magnetic band, which I can take loose and take out of the packaging. And I have this. Now, it wears like a watch. I'll actually put it on for you. And then I can tighten it with the band. I want you to notice what I did here. My watch goes like this. This goes on the inside of your wrist. Why is that? Well, because the Ember 2 is designed as sort of a personal thermostat. Body temperature, hot, cold, dealing with what you need at the time. Maybe you are someone who has hot flashes that wake you up at night. Maybe you work in a cold office. Maybe you're out in the cold skiing. All sorts of reasons why we have temperatures that are not ideal for what we want. For me, when I sleep, I tend to sleep hot, and I like to have either a fan or air conditioning or something cooling me down. Let's take a look at what else is in the box here. Got instructions on how to set it up, how to wear it, and oh yes, it comes with an app. You've got to tie it to an app because that's where you're going to find all of your controls. And then we've got basic instructions on how the buttons work, what the different lights mean, and basically how it works with your body temperature. And there you go. So that's that. What else do we have in the box? Well, if you look deep in here, we have a charger. Kind of looks like a, well, almost like the charger I have for my Apple Watch. It's got a USB end here, and then your watch would kind of sit on here, and it would charge. I keep calling it a watch, but it's not a watch. So this is what comes in the box with the Ember Labs Wave 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a test for a couple days. You know where I'm going to test it? I'm going to test it in bed. Why? Because I'm always hot when I sleep. I'm going to test it at the grocery store. Why? Well, you know, when you walk into the grocery store and you go down the frozen aisle and stuff like that, it's freezing in there. And if you don't remember to bring a jacket, you're going to be pretty cold. How about outside? Well, we're at the time of year right now for me where I live where sometimes it's hot and sometimes it's cold. So, perfect another place for me to test. So, this has been the unboxing of the Ember Labs Wave 2. Stay tuned and come on back and you'll see the full review on Sleep Science Today.